So now you're not gonna come. Trying to come, but not gonna come exactly. What do you want? If you want, you can just come and have it. No? Okay, I'll just wait here for you. If you do come, let me know, yeah? Here we go. He's coming. Here we go. You are actually a really cheeky canary. Here we go. Enjoying your carrot. Look at the rest of them. Just staring at this one. They don't even bother to come down and just start like eating with this beautiful canary. Come down. Yellow. The yellow one. Come down, please. No? No? Okay. We'll just wait. Now, I don't think they're gonna come. They're not as brave as this white one. As soon as I put it down, they're gonna come and join it. Here we go. Still, the white one is the brave one. Here we go. They all, I guess, enjoy like eating carrots. The yellow ones are scared. Here we go. Carrot.